Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. You have to log in or sign up with your Shopify account in your Shopify. So to log in, you have to just write here shopify.com. Then you can log in or create your account. Then we have to go to apps. When we will go to apps like this, we have to search here AliExpress. I am searching here. I'm sorry for 1s. Like we have AliExpress, as we can see, like Descaler is AliExpress dropshipping service, uh, and this CJ also. CJ and this both are same, as we can add them our store. CJ dropshipping is connected with AliExpress, so it both are trusted. So to add, here is in your window, here is option coming to add app. You can add this AliExpress offers to optimize the supplier and find the cheap and better supplier by selling the same product management, find import and edit product, also update stock price, bulk orders, hundreds of orders with one click in a few seconds, automation, automatic track order and package status, manage multiple Shopify stores in one account. These are the features of this uh, drop drop shipping Deezers. But it is paid. We have allow only 14 days trial in one account, so you can pay a $20 a month and you can enjoy. So let's open the app. When you will open the app, then you have to search this AliExpress and go to the site, and then you have to do sign in with the same account you have done to your Shopify. Then it will connect. They will just ask authorization. You have to tick it. So to import the product, you have to find the product first. To find the product, you have to go to AliExpress and find the product that you want to sell. Like example, I want to sell this product. I will open a new window, or you can just click here. It will be open in this window also, but I suggest you to open a new window. That will be good. So let's search this croc charm. Okay, again, these are the trendy products. We can just add it, just cut it. We can sell a phone also, the security devices also. So we can sell this camera and this motors, or this cameras. We can sell these cameras, as we can see. So sorry, the pics are opening by mistake. I have like open this. You have to open this. Like you have to click on this. It will open. This camera. We can sell this camera, solar panel. So these are the products that are related to security. We can take a smart lock also. So we are taking this smart lock. We can take this. So we are adding this 4 products, and this Crocs charms. Then second, this camera light bulb. Then this Wi-Fi solar camera, and the last wireless doorbell, voice intercom doorbell, support two-way intercom professional penetration. So as we can see, so let's close this. So to add the product, you have to copy first, and then I tell you when your order will come. You can just go here. Someone will order, then it's will showing here. Then you can just you when someone orders in your site, then it will be redirected to here, and a tracking link will be share and status, the accurate status. You can import the products from here. Search, go to here, and then just paste it and then find it. So as you can see, it's loading. As we can see, it is like coming a wireless door. We can see like ratings, whichever have like good rating, we can buy from them. It is costing like 41 USD, and here like 20. We can select this. This is much cheaper. We can add to import list. First product done. Then second product, we have to cut this or copy and paste here. Just by pasting, you have to just search. As we can see, it is charging $52. It's here was solar panel 3 cells. No, it's not the product. We can just buy. We can buy from here. Solar panel. No, it's not around this camera. We can just import this. This is good. Just stay here. Then we can import this also. Just cut and paste it here. The link. As we can see, the link is pasting. So it's came here $16, $7, much cheaper, much cheaper. This is good at $7. It's offering. It can be give a major profit. So I will tell you the profits also, how you can get a much bigger profit. If to just paste the item here, all things are adding to our import list, as you can see. Searching for product. As we can see, the cheapest price we can get $2, $7, $4, 7, 4. We can add this product. Stay here. Here are the 9 products that are here. So add the products that you want. We are adding this. To add, you have to just click here, push to Shopify. Then you have to also publish to your online store. And I suggest you don't take this, because it when the product is out of stock, then you are selling, the buyer will just give you bad reviews. So please don't uh, check it. I'm suggesting you can just do this. Also publish on online store. You can just say set this button, like push to Shopify. It will take a minute and it will do. So let us see, as we can just click here. As we can see, here are the status. We can see all product are added. We can just refresh here. As you can see, just refresh here one time. Here the products are added. This charm and this camera and this have been added to our store. So when we have imported this product, as we can see, so as you can see, it is costing like 13 rupee at slash amount. So here is this. If the buyer is the consumer will come, and then it will, like something went wrong, you this product does not exist. To exist it, you have to add a payment method. So you have to go to on this, you have to go on payments, and then you have to add a provider. Example, like if you want Apple Pay, Visa, and Mastercard. These are the companies that are providing you. I suggest you Stripe personally, because it's good. Or you can select uh, any of the provider which you are having access, like this. You can just click. You have a login. You have a transaction key, put there, and just you can activate. Before activation, you should test. Just you have to click this enable test and go to your site and do the transaction. It will refund your money. So that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.